Homeopathic Clinic Session 6. Today we are going to discuss one common problem in day-to-day practice, that is cough. Remember, we are going to discuss the cough as it comes as an acute presentation. Now, how do we think of when a patient says that, yes, he has the cough for 4 days, 5 days, he has taken this medicine, that medicine, how do we go about? One can start thinking about location. Patient may say the cough he has some irritation in the throat and he feels that the cough is from the throat. He may say that he has to cough that much that as if it is coming from the abdomen. Look at the Kent's repertory, cough session, irritation, and you will get the proper rubric and the medicines related to that. One can also think of the condition which are causing cough. Patient will say, it's just irritation in the throat. Now that may be because of postnasal drip, where the sanguinaria canadensis, rumex and such remedies may come. If you look into the throat, in some of the patients you may find elongated congested uvula. That may be causing cough. So there you are advised to refer to Fartak's repertory, the relevant rubric. We can also think of concomitant. Say for example, in a child especially, one may get cough because of worms. Then one can think of remedies like Sina or reflux acidity, which comes up in the throat, and that may cause cough, where remedy like natrum phos may come. It's a good practice to actually see and inquire about how the child or the person is coughing. One may hear barking noise, gham gham. Now the remedies like Drosera or Spongia one can think of. Or one may hear the cough, as if it's clearing the throat. It may be because of postnasal drip, where sanguinaria canadensis may come. It may also be because of the spasmodic cough which one finds in asthmatic patients, where remedy like arsenic may come. One can also look into what sort of expectoration the patient is describing. It may be sweet taste with the expectoration, that is Stannum metallicum, or he may say that the expectoration are just stingy, like he has to cough it out, where Coccus cacti may come. Modality, don't forget modalities, but modalities with the relative importance. For example, cough aggravated by lying down is very common, but cough amelioration by lying down is uncommon. That is why it is characteristic, and remedy like manganum acetate may come. What I have told you is not very different than what we do in day-to-day practice. Location, sensation, that is the type of cough or the cause of cough, modalities and concomitant. So apply these 4 elements and inquire accordingly, look proper rubrics, and you will arrive at conclusion. Now Dr. Swapnil, Dr. Ashok and Dr. Sandeep will present their cases of cough. Thank you.